Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell mobile houses on Amazon. First, you'll need to understand Amazon's specific policies for selling large, specialized items. Begin by preparing your mobile home thoroughly, ensuring it's clean and ready for high-quality photographs. Gather all necessary documentation and detailed specifications. Next, create a professional seller account on Amazon and familiarize yourself with their listing interface for oversized products. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth selling experience on the platform. Crafting an effective listing is key to attracting buyers. Write compelling product descriptions that highlight your mobile home's unique features, such as its square footage, number of bedrooms, or energy efficiency. Be sure to include all critical information like dimensions, weight, and details about utility hookups for water, electricity, and sewage. Research similar listings to set a competitive price, considering the home's condition and any included appliances. A detailed and accurate listing builds buyer confidence. Logistics for mobile homes are unique. You'll need to arrange for specialized shipping and delivery services, as standard carriers won't suffice. Clearly communicate estimated delivery timelines and any specific installation requirements, like foundation preparation, to potential buyers. Providing excellent customer service throughout this process is paramount. Be prepared to answer questions about transport, setup, and any potential site-specific challenges. Smooth communication ensures a positive experience for both you and the buyer, leading to successful transactions. To maximize your reach, utilize Amazon's advertising tools to boost visibility for your mobile home listing. Respond promptly and professionally to all buyer inquiries and be prepared to negotiate terms fairly. Once a buyer is secured, understand the legal aspects and paperwork involved in transferring ownership, including titles and deeds. Ensure all financial transactions are secure and documented. A well-executed marketing strategy, combined with diligent follow-through, will help you successfully close the sale of your mobile home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.